whether or not the House of Representatives can streamline the process or expedite the impeachment proceedings. The answer is yes. Dahil nga sabi ko nga kanina, ang ating pong saligang batas ay binibigyan ng kapangyarihan ng ating mababang kapulungan to expedite the impeachment complaint. In fact, they can set aside their own rules of procedures and adopt a new one. At sa pagkakataong ito ay pwede nga gawin ng Kongreso na magpasa ng isang resolusyon. Resolusyon na pirmado ng at least 1/3 members of the House of Representatives that they are supporting the impeachment of the Vice President. If that will happen, that would constitute the articles of impeachment, and they can already move forward and bring that impeachment complaint to the floor so that the House of Representatives can vote on the matter of the impeachment